Hey, beautiful soul, welcome back to our podcast. And today episode is all about something that you might feel more than understand vibration. More specifically, high vibrational people. Maybe you meet one, that person who walk into a room and instantly lifts the energy, or maybe you are the person and you're not even aware of it. Today, we'll explore what makes someone high vibrational, how you can become one, and how it shapes everything your health, relationships, and even your ability to manifest. Preview of this segment. So, what is vibration? Uh, let's get back to basics. Everything is energy. This isn't just woo, it's physics. Every object, thought, and person has a frequency. You right now are vibrating. The thoughts you think, the emotion you feel, they all have measurable energy. Dr. David Hawkins mapped this in his level of consciousness chart. Shame vibrates at 20, love 500, enlightenment 700 plus. So when we talk about raising your vibration, we're really talking about expanding your consciousness. So imagine tuning a radio. Low station plays static and fear. High ones play peace and love. High vibrational people, they have learned how to stay tuned to those higher frequencies even when the world pulls them off. So, traits of high vibrational people, authenticity. They're not afraid to be who they are. They're not performing. You can feel their realness. Think of a friend who admits their flaws openly but with no shame. Gratitude is a lifestyle. They don't just journal 3 things a day, they live in appreciation. They see beautiful in small stuff. Light and boundaries. They walk in light but aren't doormats. They say no. High vibration means you protect your peace. Embodied presence. When they talk to you, you feel seen. They're here, not distracted. Uplift others naturally. You feel energized after talking to them, not drained. Calm in chaos. They don't escape life's messes, but their reaction, less panic, more wisdom. Inner work champions. They face their shadow. They do the journaling, the therapy, the soul work. Magnetic and mysterious. You can't quite describe why you're drawn to them, but you are. That's vibration. Myths and misconception. High vibe people are always positive. False. High vibe people feel deeply. They just don't live in negativity. High vibration is about spiritual trends. It's not about crystals or sage. Those are tools, not traits. They never get angry or sad. Being high vibrational means feeling all your emotion but not being controlled by them. One of the most high vibrational people I know cried deeply at a funeral but held so much presence and peace in the space. It was magnetic. How to raise your vibration? Daily habits that shifts energy. Hydrate with intention. Water is a conductor of frequency. Morning silence or meditation, 10 minutes minimum. Intentional music, solfeggio frequency 42 Hz binaural beats. Journaling, write from gratitude and honesty. Declutter messy room or messy vibe. Laugh more. Humor is high frequency. Spiritual tools, breath work or EFT tapping, reset emotional frequency, grounding with earth, barefoot, soul baths, tree connection, or just forest bathing, crystals and oils if it resonate, rose quartz, amethyst, frankincense. Replace I have to with I get to. Your language shapes your frequency. Pause, breathe deep. Now ask yourself, one what's one low vibration habit I can let go of today? And so I used to live in fear, but since I started meditating and protecting my energy, people say I glow differently. My relationships are better. I feel free. Around negative people, use energetic shielding. Imagine white light around you. On social media, unfollow anything that drains. Curate your digital vibe. In conflict, choose the high road without being passive. High vibration doesn't mean avoidance. Boundary script. I love you, but this conversation feels heavy for me right now. Can we talk later? Protective affirmation. I choose peace over proving. I radiate love, not fear. The power, some resources and practices is The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle, Frequency by Penny First, Letting Go by Dr. David Hawkins. Apps: Insight Timer for high vibe meditations, Gaia for spiritual content, Frequency, Hertz Frequency for healing, Podcast and Teacher Dr. Joe Dispenza, Sadhguru Abraham Hicks Mooji. Creates a personal vibration booster playlist, includes soul-touching songs, instrumentals, or mantras. Being high vibrational doesn't mean being perfect. It means being intentional, aware, loving, and grounded in your truth. So, journal prompt for listener: what's draining me and what's feeding me? How do I want to feel every day? What small practice can I commit to this week? So, if this episode resonated, share it with someone who radiates with high vibes or someone who needs a boost, and and tell me if you have a vibe raising routine. I love to feature your story. So, you are energy, you are light. Keep rising, keep radiating. Until next time, vibrate high, love deep, and stay soul aligned.